I need help to cross. Can anyone help me?
I was born this way and there's no medical reason why that happened. My doctors never thought that I'd be able to walk, and today I'm walking. The definition of tough means strong. To show your strength, you need to do something that's difficult. Keep going or give up. We compare each other with how we look, and I wish I was smarter, I wish I was taller, I wish I was shorter, I wish I was more popular, I wish I did this, I wish I didn't have that. I wish my life was different.
Pain is pain. Brokenness is brokenness. Fear is the biggest disability of all and will paralyze you more than you being in a wheelchair.
We're all looking for hope, aren't we? What are you looking for?
Today, I still have no arms and legs, but everything's changed.
This is it. Oh, I can skydive. Look at me now. Oh, yeah.
I love you, Mom! I love you, Dad, too!
This is a little bit high. I'm gonna break my arm, man. This is pretty crazy. All right.
I'm gonna break my arm.
Circumstances. Being born without arms and legs, man, it's all about choice. I had parents who were my heroes. They always said, you can either be angry for what you don't have or be thankful for what you do have. Wow. I knew that I could be unstoppable.
If you haven't found something worth dying for, you haven't found something worth living for.